Okay, today I will show you how to navigate Blackboard as well as Google Classroom. So Algebra 2 Honors class, just a quick review and reminder how you can navigate Blackboard for the first part. As you all know, announcement, you just have to click the word announcement once you are in Algebra 2 Honors class, of course, on Blackboard. So one example is about the Unit 1 test. As you can see, there should also be a link that would lead you to some information. Let's say Unit 1, Lesson 1. I gave you a link. You can just have to click on it and it should open up. This link is like a video review for the piecewise function. So what you just have to do is to click and you should be able to see what's in there. So this one.
I'm gonna grab some piecewise functions.
I have to go back and show you some more. If you want to know or you happen to forget my information, just click into staff information. That's my name, the email address, my preferred email address where you can email me anytime and I will try my best to reply within 24 hours. That's my work phone and of course the extension. The syllabus would lead us to the syllabus that I gave you at the beginning of the school year. And this would serves as a reminder for you that the requirements, the supplies, as well as the grading policy and the classroom expectations. As you can see, how you can keep in touch with me, as well as the last page that you should have turned in, signed by you and by your parents. So this is where you can easily see the syllabus. Next one, when you go to the assignments, this is an important part. This is where you are supposed to be submitting your homework practice. And I organized it per unit. Unit 0 up to Unit 6. So let's have the latest one. Let me click on the folder Unit 6 so you will know. The title tells you what would be the assignment that you should be working on and submit on this. When you click on this, it's even giving you the possible points. And then you can just have to submit the answered homework and then I should be able to see it and grade it. Another example for the assignment. Let's say you forgot to know where to find the folder for the objectives with sample problems, which is part of the review. Here you go. I even put an attachment to it so you can see what it looks like. And it would load for you. Just have to be patient. There you go. So that's actually the latest take-home quiz, which serves as your review for the Unit 6 test. Okay, another important information would be the course materials, where you can see all the notes that we've been doing. And as you notice, I only have Units 1 to 3 because I transitioned to Google Classroom, which I will show you later on. So let's have the Unit 3 in here. I have the notes, the paper notes that I gave you. It's in Word. You can just have to open it. I go starting from the warm-up to the notes that you can fill up online if you want to, if you prefer to do it that way. I also include here the filled up notes just in case you are absent, so you are not really surprised what's going on. There you go. So practice problems. That's an example of filled up notes. That's notes 2. There's another one. There you go. These are all the writings and discussions that we did in the classroom, just in case you did not finish copying everything or you were absent. Okay. Next is the course documents. It's also important for you. In this folder, you can see the syllabus as well as the information how to access the online textbook. So online textbook would be, you have the username, that's your student ID at fcps-ba, and then this is the password. Okay, now let me try now to go to our Google Classroom, as I said. So in the Google Classroom, Algebra 2 Honors Period 6, you have the different folders at the side, the different topics, like the calendar, where you can see what would be happening, and I will update it as much as possible. The district test review that we did for the first district test. The project. It's really organized for you. Some sample projects. You just have to click on it and you will see it. And then here's the information for the quarter 2 project that you had. You will also notice that I have a folder for the warm-up. So if you were absent, just have to look for the warm-up. If you miss it, look at the date. And one example of that is, let's say I click on this. There you go. It would lead you to the warm-up question. Okay? Okay, and then for the lessons, same thing as the Blackboard. So you have the Unit 6 test review. This is the lesson that we did. That's the notes in PDF form and the filled up notes. So this is what we did already in the class. Okay. And this is the filled up form supposedly. There you go. There's the filled up form. Okay, so it's kind of easy to navigate. Or I try to organize this as much as I can. So always just look at the side, the topics. It's even divided for you for quarter 1, unit 2, up to quarter 3, unit 6, where we are in right now. And another important one, the last one, would be the videos, where you can just click on those links. Okay, so I hope you understood everything, and if you have further questions, of course you can always email me or contact me on my preferred email address and my telephone number. Okay, till next time.